welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I am Tyler, part-time seller on Mercari, Poshmark, eBay.
And today we are finally back with another ThredUp box. It's been kind of a while. Last one we did was the collab, I think.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah, so it's been a while. We love doing ThredUp boxes. I think we've only done the shoebox one other time, right? And we got Fry shoes, we got Tory Burch, we got Pedro Garcia.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was really good. So I'm hopeful that this is a good one. We do have other boxes that we're planning on doing soon, just because pandemic, blah blah blah. Trying not to go out as much.
Well, then we got to pander to the base a little bit because you guys come to watch the unboxings for God only knows the reason, because it's not my thing, but.
I love watching ThredUp unboxing, so I know what reason. But anyways, so we're excited about this one. If you like this type of content, if you'd like to see ThredUp unboxings, we also do Jomar, we've done B&G, we've done...
Yeah, don't make us do B&G again.
Yeah, we've done a bunch of them.
Jomar I'll do, that's fine.
When we have one coming, so stay tuned for that. But if there's other ones that you want to see, do let us know in the comments below. We've not tried it before. We will at least try it once. So let us know. And also make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you're notified every time we post new videos. We post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. And please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy ThredUp unboxings. It really, really helps our channel and it also lets me know to keep doing them. So please, please, please do that. Okay, are you ready?
I've been ready for the last 5 minutes for that whole soliloquy. Let's go.
It's just, it's a big box and it has been sitting here for 24 hours and we've been staring at it. So show them what the box looks like.
Hold on. Yeah. So it's 15 pairs of shoes.
For $90.
For $90. And it's enormous.
Yeah, so, okay, so this is what it looks like. You know, you guys see? Yep, okay, all right. Let us go. You may hear dog barking. She seems to all of a sudden be vocal now that we're recording.
All right, Vince Camutos.
We literally have these exact shoes.
Yes, we do.
Pretty sure.
And you can't get rid of them.
I may have already actually sold them. They do have a mark on them. Right here.
Nail polish remover should work on that though, I think.
Yeah, so we've actually sold these exact pairs, so it's kind of funny. What size are they? I don't see a size. They will definitely take cleaning. There's quite a bit of grime and gunk and.
6.5.
Okay, so 6.5. But I mean, a Vince Camuto's fine. Just a little bit of cleaning needed.
Steve Madden.
Ooh.
Red suede.
These are actually in quite good condition.
I mean, it'll take a little bit of suede cleaning, but they're
cute. Steve Madden, 7.5. Very cute. I like them. They're very fall, cranberry-like. Oh, there's a little bit of a mark, but that should come out.
Kenneth Cole suede wedges.
I don't sell much Kenneth Cole. I don't really know much about it, to be honest. I just kind of
7.5.
haven't learned much about the brand, but they're in okay condition. There's a little bit of marks on the suede, but that should clean up pretty easily.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that. Those are basically fine. In basic opinion. These are Monsoon?
Nope, no idea.
Monsoon.
Monsoon, never heard of it. So if you guys know, I mean, the soles are not encouraging. When I see this type of sole, I don't think that they're high end, but who knows? They are a size 4, so very small size. But they are in Euro sizing as well, so who knows? I don't know if you know anything about this. They are suede espadrille wedges. Cute, just know nothing about it, so.
Mark Fisher satin pink.
I have tried to sell Mark Fisher before, but they were flawed and I failed miserably. These do have some
They're also
staining.
orange, the other ones.
Yeah, these have some staining on the toes there, but they're cute. What size were they?
I don't know.
Size 8 medium.
Sanook.
See, I've seen other people selling this brand on Instagram, but we've never tried it. These are sandals. So this is Sanook. You said you think that these might be stylized dirty and not really dirty?
I don't know. I mean, it's not really dirty. It's just, it's faded.
Yeah, so I don't know if this is a Goblin Core thing or if it's just, I don't know, but they're cute.
It's like the sun bleached at the beach kind of look.
Yeah, it's definitely cute, and I don't see much wrong with it. There is a little bit of, like, stuff coming up, but I haven't tried this brand. I know other people do, so if you know anything about Sanook, let me know. I've not tried it. This was the other one to the Monsoon.
Choco sandals.
Oh, Chacos. Okay, so we've only tried Chacos once before, I believe, if I remember correctly. So I don't know much. So if you know what style this is, I know that style and stuff is important for Chacos. These are pretty small. I don't see a size, but they look like they look pretty small to me. If you know where to find sizing on Chacos, again, let me know in the comments because I don't see it anywhere.
I don't see it either.
Yeah, so this will take a little bit of work.
I mean, they're in decent shape.
Yeah, I mean, I would just need to clean up the bottoms there. But
she would need to clean up the bottoms. That's the joke of the episode.
Anyways, hold on. I have uncovered a little tabby thing, and it's US size 7.
Oh.
All right, so yeah, I mean, summer is around the corner, and hey, I would like to try Chacos.
Lower East Side.
Okay, so these aren't as exciting.
7.5.
I think these are more like Target style, but you know, they're cute. They're in good condition. They'll sell for something, I'm sure.
2 pairs of them.
Maybe they'll sell together. They're the same size.
They are the same size, 7.5.
Maybe I'll bundle those up because they're light, and why not?
Life Stride. More flats. Was there a size on them? Probably somewhere. It's worn out of the back. I can't read that.
Okay, well, this will take a little bit of digging to figure this one out.
9.
All right, so they're Life Stride. This will probably sell on eBay. They are like comfort type shoes, so I mean, they'll take a little cleaning, but not too bad. What else we got?
I was all excited. I thought these might be more Pedros, but they're Cushion Air.
I don't know anything about that, but again, espadrille style sandals, Cushion Air, size 10. Not in bad shape. Need a little cleaning, but not too bad. Get into the bottom. Get into the bottom.
Keds. And these are.
And these will need a bath.
Yeah, a little bit.
These.
8.
Yeah. I have not sold Keds before. I used to wear them when I was younger. Did you wear Keds?
Yeah, I believe so.
I think we all did. So, I mean, there might be a market for them. I just really haven't gotten into this brand yet. But hey, this is the first time, and I like trying out new brands. So, one of my favorite parts of these boxes, honestly.
Oh, Ralph Lauren, 9.
If you don't know, Ralph Lauren sells great on eBay. So,
I mean, they're going to take a lot of Wonder Balm on the backs.
But there's no, like,
the heels are not in good shape.
Yeah? Oh, they're just scuffed. They're not,
Yeah.
The bottom isn't destroyed like some heels are where it's uneven to walk on. They don't look too bad. They're a little bit, maybe, but not too bad. So, we'll see. We'll see how they turn out after the Wonder Balm. But,
yeah. Dolce Vita?
You know, now, is this the higher end, mid-tier, or whatever?
I have no idea.
There's different Dolce Vitas.
It's the square logo.
I'm going to have to see if I can find those and put them on the screen for you because there's different Dolce Vita logos, and then I'll tell you which ones are worth more money, and I cannot remember them for the life of me, so I skipped the brand altogether. But these remind me of Jeffrey Campbell booties that we sold. We struggled to sell them because they had flaws, but they got a lot of interest, so the style is obviously popular, so maybe,
I mean, who doesn't like crushed velvet? I don't see a size, though.
Yeah, depending on what brand or part of the brand this is, I will try to look that up and post it for you guys. But yeah, I think these are cute. I think they're a good style. We'll see how they do.
Yeah, we'll take a little bit of
that's not
crushed velvet.
Crushed velvet cleaning.
And last but not least, this might actually save the entire box, as a pair of Hokas.
Yeah, so the bottoms are not doing great, if you can see that there. But we have just recently sold Hokas. And they did really well for us. They got a lot of interest, and they sold for quite a bit of money. These
$75, and that's only because you posted it like a sucker.
Well, okay, so the ones that we had found were actually quite dirty. They were white, and we could not get out some of the staining, so that was a problem. But they were like I guess like a really rare style, I guess. So these are the Challenger ATR4. I don't know much about Hoka. I actually learned about them from Harry Tornado. Or you learned about them from Harry Tornado. I don't know which one of us did. But anyways, so we don't know sneakers. But these I'm excited about. I'm excited about trying them. The only real flaw I see is the bottom, which I don't think people are going to care all that much about.
I don't even know if that's a flaw. I think that's just, it's the design of the shoe. I don't think it's...
Oh, maybe, because it is kind of symmetrical, actually.
Yeah.
Interesting, yeah.
It's exactly symmetrical, so I think it's probably the style of the shoe.
Yeah, so maybe. But yeah, so did I say what size these were?
No, they are 6.5.
6.5, yeah. So we will see if you are interested in anything in this box, even things that we said that we're not too super excited about. We are willing to bundle, and I noticed that a lot of these are 7 and 7.5. So if you want to do that, let us know. We do give better deals to people that are
we just
YouTube
gave
subscribers.
A stupidly good deal to someone.
Yeah, we do, because we really appreciate that you guys come and check out our closet and that you support us when you're watching these videos, you comment. All that stuff means more to me than pretty much anything. So I will do my best to give good deals. And as
it's basically name your price within reason. We're not going to give you the Chanel jacket for $20, but
yeah, we do the best we can to give the best deal. And a lot of these shoes are pretty like normal run-of-the-mill type shoes. So I'd just be happy to see them go to a good home. So that being said, my Poshmark closet link is in the comments down below, and we will be doing more of these if you like seeing them. So I'm not upset about this box. I think this will probably be what pays for it, and maybe the Chacos. I'm excited to learn more about Chacos. I really am, because yeah. Anyways, so do you have anything else you wanna?
Better or worse than the last shoebox?
I mean it's hard to say, because the last shoebox when we first opened it, we were kind of like, I don't know. We did get Fry, but they were sneakers, which, I mean, it's not boots. We did get Tory Burch, but they weren't like the popular style Tory Burch. And Pedro Garcia, we didn't know what was when we opened it. So you never know. I mean, maybe Monsoon is ending up going to be something, or maybe the Chacos are going to be worth something, or the Hokas are going to be, I don't know. So
I would say that the other one is probably what I was more excited for, given initial reaction, but who knows?
Who knows? We will see. As we always do, we will do an update on the box at some point down the road when we've sold a good chunk of the items, so we can tell you how we really feel about the box. So stay tuned for those. We should be doing another one of those really soon for something, because it's been a while, so we should do that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will be back really soon with a new video.
Thank you all for watching.